Hey guys, William Murfitt here and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, I'm driving to Manchester. Now, the plan was originally to have a day's driving and cruising around in the classic minis. Unfortunately, there's been a slight issue with one of the minis I was supposed to be driving, where be it the water pump has decided to fail. So the first job this morning is to drive to Manchester. While I'm there, I'm going to replace the water pump on the car, and then we're going to go cruising. So I've got an hour ahead of me, so let's get going. Smash.
You just spit now. What? I said you just spit.
P&L Minis to get some stuff for Tooney's car. They've got a lovely selection over here and some more inside. We've been here for quite a while. Tooney has a very selected what he wants and what he doesn't want. We've got a lovely selection. It's like heaven, this. Mr. DJSE, want to say holla?
How do, guys? You alright?
How cool is that? It's at 8,000 and it's yours.
Set off.
Crazy. Right, let's take this on its maiden voyage after the work. It's been a long day, but it's been extremely enjoyable. We're now going to go out for a drive. I'll follow you, don't go too fast. So yeah, this is one of Tooney's minis. I've done a few videos on this now. Well, a few videos on his cars, and this is yet another one. So I'm just going to go out and enjoy this drive and soak in some of this British weather. It is simply lovely. Then we are also following Tooney's minivan, which you've seen in a previous video. Drives lovely. From what I've done so far, I've only really gone around a few corners, but there's quite a few speed bumps. It's just a really comfortable, smooth ride. These seats are super comfortable as well. So I think we're just going to head and get some fuel before going to car meet this evening.
Nope. What do you think is if it breaks down now?
We are en route to the first car show I have been to in about 15 years. SK Retro Events are putting on an event in Stockport this evening. I am in Tooney's Classic Minis Bright, and we are nearly there. I don't know how well you can hear me, or if I'm just shouting for the hell of it. We're going to go down there and have a look and see what it's all about. This Mini is ace. Right, what a day. I've had a phenomenal day. I left the house this morning just before 7. It's now 8:30. No, it's now 9:30 in the evening. I've got an hour and 20 minutes drive home. Right, that is it. Just put up home. It's been a long day, but it's been thoroughly enjoyable. Meeting up with Alex and Tony has just been a blast again. We also met up with Luke. I will leave links in the descriptions down below of all their social medias, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So I had an absolute blast. These guys. YouTube itself for me has been fun. I've enjoyed it, but meeting the people that also do YouTube has been phenomenal. It's just phenomenal. So guys, legends. It's been a long day. I've covered a lot of miles. Time to go to bed. Take it easy, guys. Right, it's the next day. I've had a sleep and I'm feeling a lot more alive. So we took a trip to P&L Minis to start the day. The selection of cars they have there on display is lovely. Liz behind the counter, great with the customers. We'll definitely be using them again. And we also met up with Luke, who had a stunning Mini as well. It's not quite on the road yet, but maybe today. So once the jobs were finished on Tony's Mini, we then went for a drive. I just loved it. So driving his Mini Sprite, it's 1275 automatic SPI engine, and it just handles so nice, drives so lovely. And then when we went across, finished that little run, we had some food, then went to SK Retro event. So it's quite a cool little meet. There was not really a huge deal of cars there, but what was there was a great variety. So hats off to the guys that arranged that event. And then from there we went back. We parked up the Mini Sprite in a top secret location, and then I got to drive the minivan back to Tony's house, which that car, wow, it's just so cool. And then once we got back to Tony's, packed the car up, and then an hour and a bit drive home to then collapse in bed. So it was a phenomenal day. Loved every second of it, and I cannot wait to get back out there because you guys are awesome. So that's it from me for today, or for this video. If you have enjoyed the content, as always, please click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel and the other guys' channels as well, so you don't miss out any future content. Nothing else to say other than take it easy. See you later.